Ladies and gentlemen, for whatever reason you may need to reset your PS4, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to take. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to the reset. So first of all, why a factory reset? So preparing your PS4 could be for sale. It could also resolve persistent technical issues. Also, if you want to completely clear all of your personal data for security purposes. So then what gets erased? So all of your user accounts, saved games, downloaded content, system settings, and personal information will be permanently deleted. And the time that it'll take you to do this is about 2 to 4 hours, depending on your model and the amount of stored data that you have. So make sure that you plan ahead. Right, the essential pre-reset preparation. Back up your data, make sure that you've uploaded saved files to PlayStation Plus cloud storage or transfer it to a USB drive. Deactivate your PSN account, so go to settings, account manager, activate as primary PS4, deactivate to prevent account issues. That's very important. And then sign out and disconnect. So sign out of your PlayStation network and unplug all external storage devices and accessories. Right, so method 1, there's 2 methods. First of all, resetting menu settings. Use this method on your PS4 when it boots normally and you can access these system settings. So first of all, navigate to settings, go to settings, initialization, and then initialize PS4 from the main menu. Choose full reset. Select full in the options to do a complete data wipe, and then confirm. You'll click on yes and then wait. Your PS4 will erase all of its data and restart automatically. Method 2, the safe mode reset. Right, so when your PS4 won't boot properly or it's stuck in a loop, you can use the safe mode for emergency resets. So this would include a power down. So hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps and then release. The PS4 should now completely be off. Secondly, hold the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. Should take around about 7 seconds. Connect a controller via the USB cable and then initialize system. So press the PS button, select Initialize PS4. This will reinstall system software and then choose full reset option. So just make sure that you know a factory reset is irreversible. Everything will be permanently deleted. And then after your reset, your PS4 will restart with the initial setup screen. Just like when you first bought it. You'll have to reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign into your PlayStation Network account, and re-download all of your games and apps. And then your console will be ready to go. I hope this was helpful.